Okay, welcome. So this is going to be a quick video on how to render any instrument MIDI files that you have and how to convert those in, or render, I should say, sorry, render them into audio WAV files. So let's just get instrument. I don't know why that keeps going, but let's just get instrument, get FL keys. So as you can see, FL keys. Oh, my sound's muted. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna just quickly do a chord progression, and then I will show you how to render out those chords that I'm gonna create. So let's take it off. Let's put everything. Let me just bring down my tempo, say 120 BPM. Turn on metronome, and let me just record some chords. Anyway, let's go. So that's my piano roll. So these were my notes, and that's what I'm gonna. Anyway, these are my notes that I played. So imagine now I have all these instruments playing, and it's slowing down my CPU, and I need a way how to make a solution to that problem where I have delays and lagging and artifacts just created from the multiple instruments that I have playing. So what you could do is render this out to a WAV file. What I would do is wherever the pattern is or the section is which I want to render out, I would select it. I will go to that instrument which is in the playlist. So let's say this is in, let's root to track 1. So this is in track 1 of my mixer. I would go to that instrument, which is track 1. I will go to this little button here, and it will arm for this recording. I will click it so it's activated. I'll go to this little drop down button here, and I will go to this recording, render to WAV file. So then I will go to song selection, so it will be that selection I selected. I'll leave remainder. I'll pick the highest bit depth. Resampling, I will go to the highest, which is 512. I'll leave all these options on. I'll start, and it's done it. So there you have it. I'll just zoom in. So if I play it, I'll mute this one and I'll play it. Goes into contact, but anyway, I'll turn this one on so you can hear it. So it's the exact same thing. It's just one you've got as the instrument, MIDI sort of instrument that you've done in the playlist, and one is an audio file. Note that once you've recorded this, you can't edit it or do any changes. You will have to go all the way back to your piano roll of the first creation, edit this one, and then re-record it and do another render out of this. So once you do this, that's final. Make sure everything that you've done here, all the effects, any plugins that you've added onto your channel rack, is everything that you actually want, because once you render out the file, you can't make any changes or go back and make any changes, I should say. You can make changes to this file by routing this to the channel, mix the channel, and then you could obviously add effects to it and whatnot, but that's another video. But if you want to change the original, you can't. So this should help with any lagging or delaying that you have with your CPU when you're using FL Studios with instruments with heavy amount of files and storage space. Like and subscribe for more. It's easy. Just hit those buttons underneath this video. Follow me on my social media pages. All links are in the description below.
Ty the engineer.